Hello students, I wanted to give you a lesson over how you are going to create your outline. So I want you to think of it somewhat like an essay. So while you are not writing an essay, I just want you to keep some of those elements in mind. So the first thing out of your mouth when you get up to give a speech, you're not going to introduce yourself, you're not going to give a preview of your topic. You are going to start with an attention grabber. You need a hook, something to grab the attention of your audience. You are then going to have a reason to listen. Why should your audience listen to you? Why is this topic important? Then you're going to have your thesis statement. This is your overall statement, your overall topic, what this is about. Your credibility statement. All of your credibility statements will be first person. It is your connection to your topic. It is why we should listen to you. It is why we should go back up to your reason to listen. Your credibility statement is why we should listen to you about all of the things you're saying in this speech. So if you look here, his credibility statement is, I started collecting them, and then I started to go to competitions, and basically he's a really good Rubik's Cube putter together. So that is his credibility statement. So it will be a first person statement that ties you to that. It's basically why you pick that. And you don't want it to sound forced. So you don't want it to be, my credibility with this topic is I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's not written like that. So you're going to have to make sure that you write it so that it flows well with your speech. You are then going to have your preview of your main points. You're going to have 3. You can have 4, but I would have 3. So 3 to 4 key points. And you're going to list them out. You're going to be really clear. Your key points need to be narrowed down for your topic and your 3 things that you're going to tell us. So first I'm going to tell you this, then I'm going to tell you this. So your 3 points. So if you look here, first I'm going to tell you about the history, and then I'm going to tell you about speed cubing, and then finally I'm going to tell you about the 2 most popular methods in solving a Rubik's Cube. So if you look here, first I'm going to tell you the history, and we're going to carry this over. First, let me tell you about the history. And then we bullet out what we're going to talk about, and then we have a transition. The transition lets your audience know that you're done with that key point and you're moving on to another. Now let me tell you about speed cubing. Bulleted out, transition. Now the 2 most popular methods, transition, closing statement, because you're not transitioning to a key point, so you need to let your audience know that you're done. And then you're going to move on to the conclusion. You're going to review your main points, restate your thesis, and then have a closing statement. So if you look in, let me come back up here. All the things in yellow, you need to keep all of those. Your outline needs to look exactly like this outline with your topic plugged in. So you're going to have your attention grabber, your reason to listen, thesis statement, credibility statement, preview of the main points. So yours will look just like that. And then you're going to have key point 1. The topic sentence needs to be a complete sentence. And then bulleted out, your transition is a complete sentence. If you keep going, topic sentence is a complete sentence, bulleted out, and then your transition is a complete sentence. So, and then your conclusion, all of these are complete sentences. So this is how you're going to create your outline. So here's how the process works. You're going to submit it. If you do not get full credit, I'm going to note why you didn't get full credit, and then you can go in and revise it for full credit. I'm going to grade these very quickly. Excuse me. So you need to make sure that you go in and look at feedback quickly, because in order to get a new grade for your outline, it has to be completed before you do your speech. And there's plenty of time to do that. I will grade these very quickly, and you can go in there. If you didn't get full credit, you can make those changes real quick, resubmit it, and get full credit. There's no reason that anybody in here should get less than full credit. The only reason why would be if it's late and you don't make revisions. So what I would advise you to do is go down to the student example and copy and paste that into a Word document, and then delete all of the Rubik's Cube stuff and enter your information on your topic and then upload that. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I hope this helps.